Okay, so hello, my name's Charlie McGee, and what I'm just going to very quickly do is introduce and give you an overview about what you can expect were you to attend one of our amazing Sales Hero training workshops. So, Sales Hero is a methodology that's been built off the back of my own 20 years experience in a variety of different sales roles. But essentially, what we're seeing more and more today is that we have to take a customer centric approach, that there's a lot of content, there's a lot of experts out there. But what is proven are certain sales methodologies like spin selling, like MEDDICC, like value based selling, and Sandler. There's more recent approaches which are a bit more gung ho, like Challenger. But we've put together a series of workshops for you to customize based on what you know will work for you. Because we believe, from my own experience, the best person to decide is you, the seller. I remember what used to annoy me about training, and I remember what really inspired me and motivated me. And that's what I've tried to do in these workshops. So, what will you learn when you come on one of these workshops? Well, we cover the whole sales process. One of the first things we will do is sit you down and ask you some questions. This is 100% facilitation. This is not just us talking at you. This is about us helping you uncover and reveal what it is that separates you from your competition and what you personally should be focusing on to remain effective and successful in your job. So there's a bit of mindset, there's a lot of activity, but like based on spin, we're going to be asking you questions which are about your situation, your problems, things that implicate issues, and things that you need to be sorted out. And that turning that into a habit, something that becomes a habit. So whenever you're talking to a customer, it's all about them. It's finding about all about what their problems are. What are their biggest priorities? What are their objectives? What are their ambitions? And how can you connect what you've got to offer to making those things possible? So it's about consistency, it's about stronger rapport, it's about a number of these areas, about standing out from the competition. But most importantly, it's about you. It's about what works for you. It's not us taking this off the shelf and saying, hey, run with this. What you will walk away from is your own personalized enablement playbook, if you like. These are all of the different areas that we can cover in terms of the sales process. There's everything there from the beginning of targeting to qualifying to making sure you're ready for a meeting to making sure that you follow up that meeting, that you cover the agenda at the beginning and at the end, that you've identified the right people in the deal, that you've identified the competition, that you know are you engaging the right buyer, are you getting the right buying signals, how to negotiate, and then there's that question that qualifies all deals, which is why will they need to solve this problem with you now, and much, much more. So be sure to check it out. This is all of the content that you get to walk away from. So it's not just us standing there. You're going to get the full sessions recorded. You'll get some summary cheat sheets. You'll get the slide decks branded so you can reuse it as in house training. And what are you waiting for? Drop us an email and sign up for a workshop today. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.